Are you taking Viagra and still not staying hard? And over time, it seems to be getting even less effective. There is a simple trick that almost nobody talks about, and it's helped hundreds of guys that I've worked with to fix their erection problems. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First, you need to understand why Viagra keeps on failing you. Your mind starts going to, what dose should I take? When should I take it? But what if the timings change? And then things still don't go to plan. And that is because pills like Viagra don't fix performance anxiety. They improve blood flow, but they don't stop the stress response that shuts erections down. So what does this mean? In short, if your mind sees sex as stressful, you'll go soft. That is why this trick works way better, because it is something that you can do yourself. And when I started sharing it with other guys, they felt less stressed, less worried, more confident, and more relaxed. So now I'm going to show you exactly how it works. There's only 3 steps. It is very simple. Step 1, this is the part that nobody talks about. Most men think they take Viagra for erections, but what they're really taking it for is certainty. Certainty that things will go to plan. So instead of renting certainty from a pill, let me show you how to create it yourself. I'd like you to imagine your feeling of sexual anxiety on a scale from 0 to 10. 0 is calm, totally settled. 10 is you're in the moment, stuck in your head overthinking, and erections start to feel unreliable. Your job for this first step is to catch it early at a 2 or a 3 out of 10. Now that is usually hours, sometimes days before intimacy, when the what if questions start to show up. What if it doesn't go to plan? What if I don't satisfy them? The moment you notice that, you're going to take 30 seconds alone, go to the bathroom, your car, or another room, take a deep breath, and you're going to ask yourself a question. What do I need to feel safe right now? So step 1 is to catch it early. You're going to take 30 seconds, go somewhere private, and ask yourself the question. The key here is to do it before intimacy actually happens, not whilst it's happening. Step 2, this is the gear change, and is going to show you how to stop this downward spiral of thoughts about your performance. Here is where we have to be careful not to fall into the mistake that I see many guys make. So let me show you the problem. I want you to see right now if you can spot the error. What if I go soft again? Okay, I remember that question. What do I need to feel safe right now? I don't know. This question isn't working. I just need to stop overthinking. What's wrong with me? You can see here, you're asking the right question, but the gas pedal is still down. And when your mind is racing at 100 miles an hour, you can't hear yourself think. So here is what step 2 looks like when we're doing it the right way. We notice the thoughts coming up. What if it doesn't go to plan? What if I go soft again? We take 30 seconds and we go somewhere alone. We take 3 slow breaths. You can put your hand on your chest or on your stomach, and we ask the question, what do I need to feel safe right now? For this step 2, you're going to listen with 0 pressure to get the perfect response. The answer is usually a simple one. To slow down, to stop, to spend more time building up before sex. So step 2 is to calm your body so that you can actually hear what you need. Because once you do that, you can apply the final step. Step 3 is the part that brings it all together. Honestly though, this is where most men stop. It is what will take your mind from going round in endless loops of anxiety to actually feeling calmer and more present, which of course is critical if you want to enjoy sex again. So you ask the question, what do I need to feel safe in this moment? You heard the answer, and now we actually have to do something with that information. If it's to slow down, we must actually slow down. If it's to stop, then stop. If it's to take more time building up intimacy, then ask your partner, can we spend some more time cuddling and touching each other? Because asking the question and hearing the answer is great, but if you ignore it, then your brain learns nothing's changed, sex is still pressure. So step 3 is to honor the answer. Honestly, the first time you do this, it is going to feel weird and strange, but you will notice something. I want you to look out for this, a release of tension in your body, even if it's only slight. Now, how do you make this automatic? Because if you have to manage anxiety every time, it becomes exhausting. So watch this video next, where I will show you exactly how to break the performance anxiety loop so that this stops showing up when it matters most.